Most people eat salad like it's a punishment. I eat mine with grilled halloumi cheese, roasty sweet potatoes, bold spice, and absolutely no apology. You might think you know salads, but this one's about to change your mind. Take it from a food scientist. It's a sunny afternoon, my garden's lush and humming, the grill is hot, and I'm throwing together the kind of salad that actually makes you excited to eat one. It's nourishing and full of goodness, but it's also boldly spiced, with a twisty turn flavor, salty sweet, and seriously satisfying. Exactly what I love about flexi cooking. Less rules, just balance and real flavor. I just use my hands to coat the sweet potato cubes in olive oil, garlic, harissa, and fennel. Trust me on the fennel seeds, it is genius. Then roast them till they're golden on the edges and soft in the middle. While that's happening, I slice up a red onion quite thinly, give it a quick soak in vinegar to quick pickle, and mellow those flavors a bit. Then stir together the easiest and creamiest yogurt and tahini dressing with a squeeze of lemon and a little garlic. This salad works just as well for a packed office lunch as it does for a sunny garden party. And it's great for meal prep because you can roast the sweet potatoes, make the dressing, and pickle the onions ahead of time and just assemble quickly before serving. I grill the halloumi outdoors because everything tastes better with a bit of sunshine on it. But you can always grill it on a griddle pan or fry it until golden in a frying pan or air fryer. I slice it thick, pat it dry, brush it with olive oil to stop it from sticking to the grill. 3 minutes per side and it's crispy outside, squidgy in the middle. Yum! This halloumi and sweet potato salad is for me. Dave is not a sweet potato fan, but he does love halloumi. And yes, Nala knows exactly when it's ready. She gets her share every time. If you make this salad, I'm sure you would also love this one. Because if you're into food that tastes amazing, you're in the right place. And I hope you will hit that subscribe button. I promise you, no fussy steps, no weird health swaps, just wholesome ingredients for a healthy gut. Then I layer it all up, bundles of crunchy lettuce, the crispy and soft sweet potatoes, bite-sized pieces of grilled halloumi, and spoonfuls of that creamy dressing. I'll give you a tip here, don't shred the lettuce, leave the small leaves whole to catch that dressing in chunks in a perfect scoop. I love to top my sweet potato and halloumi salad with juicy pomegranate seeds and ribbons of that sharp pickled onion. Honestly, you can eat this with a fork or scoop it up with the lettuce leaves like I do. Either way, I highly recommend finishing it with a little extra dressing and maybe a happy dance. No judgment here. See you next time!